Hi everybody. So today I want to show you and explain how you Daisychain or how you connect the Cooler Master fans. I have a 3-in-1 pack over here and I got two individual ones. The 3-in-1 pack is a Sickleflow 120 ARGB and I got the Masterfan MF120 HALO, two pieces of them. So I'm first going to do the 3-in-1 pack, then I'm going to show you individual fans, how you do that. Alright, so let's shove these aside for a moment and start with the 3-in-1 pack. I always recommend buying a 3-in-1 pack if you can, because that comes with everything you need. Inside the box we have another box, whoa, and inside that box you find everything you need. You know, a little controller in case your motherboard doesn't have a ARGB header, you know, a 3-pin header. Then you need to use the controller to change colors and stuff. So, you know, you got the wires and the caps. You will all see that in a moment. A really small user manual. And the fans themselves. So let's get them all out. Sickleflow fans, they look pretty nice. They have this nice little emblem. I don't know how you call it in English. I just say emblem. The Masterfan, the HALO Master fans, they don't have that. They just have a little simple thingy on it. Nothing really special. So yeah, basically how does it work? Each fan has two wires. One wire has only one connector. That's the one for the power. Then you got this other wire that splits into two. And that's for the lightning, for the RGB, or the ARGB in this case. So let's get the caps off. So yeah, Daisychain is pretty simple. All you do is, you know, you got a 3-pin, a male and a female. Just connect them with each other. There's only one way you can do this. And you have these caps. You can put over it so they won't come loose. I never use that because once it's in the case, why should it come loose? Anyway, so that's all. Now they're all connected. Now you're left with one male and one female. You know, one with pins and one with holes. And you can keep on Daisychaining them for as many fans as you have. You know, you always end up with one with holes, you know. So you can always plug another one in. Because the one with pins, that's the one that goes into your ARGB header on your motherboard. If you don't know where it's located, look it up in the manual online. For every motherboard there is a manual. So you just plug this in your motherboard. Only one way you can do it. And then you got the lightning going on. But what if your motherboard doesn't have an ARGB header? That's where the controller comes in. Of course, don't forget, you know, you have also this for the power. That's also pretty straightforward. Now, only one way you can do it. Just connect them all one by one. There you go. Now we got the power. Now it's got power. The fans will spin now. Because lighting is one, but we also want them to spin. And that's basically also you're left with one connector, and that one will go into any chassis fan, CPU fan, whatever fan header you have left on your motherboard. So that's that. So let's continue with how you connect this controller. Anyway, so we have the controller and we have this cable left. We're going to put this one in the controller. And this one goes into your SATA. That will look like this. That's where you put it in. The other end look like this, a 6-pin cable, and that you will put in your PSU, and that looks like this. So this is how they are in action. They won't spin because I didn't plug them into a fan header. I'm only gonna show you the lightning and the control for the lightning with the controller. So you got these different modes. And that was it. That's all the controls. 5 or 6 modes, that's all you have. Okay, so we moved up to the 2 individual fans. When you unbox them, it's like this. Just normal. A cap for to protect the connectors. And again, as the Sickleflow ones, you know, the 3-in-1 packs, as all fans do, have one power for the cable, and the other cable that splits into 2 is for the ARGB. So let's connect the ARGB for a moment. And again, it's just a matter of plugging the one with the pins in the connector with the holes. And then this one with the pins would go into your motherboard. Because now we don't have like the 3-in-1 packs, a controller. So you do need to have a header in your motherboard, an ARGB header. And for the power, we need to have cables. So I got a bunch of cables over here. So which cable do I need? I don't need this one. I only need 2. We got a few loose power cables. I will just connect them into each other. So we see now we got a power. Now we got the power all hooked up, and also one cable that will go into your CPU fan header on your motherboard. So that's all that's to it. And of course you can keep on daisy-chaining if you want with this method. You just would need a bigger splitter, or you keep on splitting it like this. But that's not convenient. It is cheaper depending on which brand splitter you buy. Anyway, so that's that. I hope it was clear to you. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. And of course, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will answer them. Right? Bye.